Hey y'all, welcome to another video from wreckingout.com. It's been a bit since I posted a video as I'm prepping for an upcoming trip to the surf. Hopefully lots of great content to share with you soon, but in the meantime, here's a quick tip if you're having trouble getting your kayak to drain. This is a Native Ultimate, you would have seen it in some previous videos. So it has an integrated drain plug and it's borderline unusable. So it drains right from the middle, as you see here. And I needed something a little bit better to get all the nastiness out of the kayak. So I went to the auto parts store and picked up some plugs, and they have a 3/8 inch hole. So all I'm doing is drilling a pilot hole, and then I'll up that to a 3/8 inch hole. And I'm putting it in the bow and the stern so I can more easily tip the kayak up and drain it. So here's the plugs. They're for a Nissan. I'll link to them in the description. And you just slide one in, push it down, and you have a plug. As you can see, it drains well. Don't put it below the water line. It's not watertight, but it'll make for a great kayak plug, and it's a lot less expensive than what you'll find in the stores. Thanks.